let us continue practice set 3.2. In the last video we studied first example. Now focus on the second example, page number 32. Observe the information shown in the pairs of triangles given below. State the test by which the two triangles are congruent. Write the remaining congruent parts of the following triangles. Second question, first example. Now from the information shown in the figure, see here. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, ABC, PQR. What is we observe here? Angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. First statement it is already given. Segment BC congruent to segment QR. That is shown by the similar sign, and angle ACB congruent to angle PRQ. हा सगळा पार्ट दिलेला आहे. Now what we have to write? Here we have to make a fill in the blanks. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by which test? It is the angle side angle test. It means it is a ASA test. Okay, first fill in the blank. Now secondly, angle BAC congruent to angle QPR, angle QPR, and the reason is already given. Corresponding angle of the congruent triangle, it is the short form, that is the CACT. Instead of corresponding angle of congruent triangle, तुम्ही फक्त शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिहू शकता CACT, आणि corresponding sides of congruent triangle साठी CSCT. ओके. सेकंडली, सेगमेंट AB congruent to segment AB ला congruent segment कोणता आहे? सेगमेंट PQ. AB PQ फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड पोझिशन, फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड पोझिशन. फक्त ट्रायंगलचं नाव बघून सुद्धा तुम्ही लिहू शकता. सेगमेंट AB congruent to segment PQ. And the last PR means the first and the third position. So what is the here? It is the AC, segment AC congruent to segment PR. अशा पद्धतीचं एक्झाम्पल दिलेलं आहे. हमखास एक्झाम मध्ये असतं ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेसिक क्वेश्चन जे विचारतात 4 मार्क्ससाठी, 2-2 मार्क्सचे 2 प्रश्न असतात, असे एकूण 4. तिथे अशा पद्धतीच्या फिल इन द ब्लँक्स आपल्याला करावे लागतात. स्कोरिंग पार्ट असतो हा. Now second question, second example from the second question. याच क्वेश्चन मधलं सेकंड एक्झाम्पल हे तुम्ही घरी पण सोडवू शकता. आपण इथे ओरली घेऊ फक्त. बघा, द इन्फॉर्मेशन शोन इन द फिगर इन ट्रायंगल PTQ and triangle STR, they are given as the proper correspondence of the triangles. Segment PT congruent to segment ST, angle PTQ congruent to angle STR, vertically opposite angles, आणि अजून एक साइड दिलेली आहे TQ congruent to TR. So by which test these two triangles are congruent? It is the triangle PTQ congruent to triangle STR by SAS test. दोन साइड त्यांनी दाखवलेले आहे आणि एक vertically opposite angle आहे. So it is the SAS test. Angle included by that congruent sides. Next, angle TPQ congruent to angle TSR. Write down there TSR. And angle TRS congruent with angle TQP. It is TQP congruent to angle TRS. Reason is given, corresponding angle of congruent triangles, and segment PQ, that is a PQ congruent to segment RS or SR. In this way you have to fill in the blank here. The second question is over. Now we start our third question. सेकंड तुम्ही तुमच्या नोटबुक मध्ये सोडवायचं आहे, फिल इन द ब्लँक करायचं आहे. आपण आता थर्ड स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. Yes, first of all we draw here figure. ABC, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. From the information shown in the figure, state the test assuring the congruence of triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent triangle. We have to only say the test. Now here angle A is given of 90 degree and this is hypotenuse BC congruent to hypotenuse PR and segment AB congruent to segment PQ. It is given by the similar marking. Write the remaining congruent parts of the triangle. हे जे दोन ट्रायंगल दिलेले आहे ट्रायंगल ABC आणि ट्रायंगल PQR हे कोणत्या टेस्टनी कॉन्ग्रुएंट आहे हे सांगायचं आहे आणि रिमेनिंग कॉन्ग्रुएंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle PQR. Now first of all, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle, see here we start with the angle of 90, so QPR. First of all we write the name of the triangle with proper correspondence. Okay, त्यानंतर आपल्याला सगळं सोपं जाईल. Now these are two triangles, triangle ABC congruent to triangle QPR by which test? By hypotenuse side test. These two are congruent by hypotenuse side test. We know that we use this test in a right angle triangle when the hypotenuse and one of the side making right angle is congruent. At that time we use this test, hypotenuse side test. पहिला पार्ट झाला. आता त्यांनी काय सांगितलंय? Write down the remaining congruent part. These two are already given. These two sides, it means which are the remaining? That is segment AC congruent to segment QR. We write here first of all segment AC congruent segment QR. What is the reason? Corresponding sides of congruent triangle. So corresponding sides of congruent triangle, CSCT. Okay. Now next, angle ACB congruent to angle, yes, QRP is the angle QRP. Okay, yes, reason we write that is the corresponding angle of congruent triangle, CACT. आपण तेवढं लंब न लिहिता शॉर्टली लिहिणार CSCT आणि CACT. It is given in your textbook, so you can use their short forms. Now, why one more element is remaining? Angle B congruent to angle P. हा राहिलाय ना आपल्याला लिहायचा. So we write here angle ABC congruent to angle, yes, QPR. And the same reason, that is the corresponding angles of congruent triangle. In this way you have to simplify the question number 3. By which test these two triangles are congruent? We write first of all and the remaining congruent parts. Okay, take a screenshot. We continue. Next example. Yes, fourth example. As shown in the following figure, in triangle LMN and triangle PNM, LM congruent to PN, LN congruent to PM. Write the test which assure the congruence of two triangles. Write their remaining congruent parts. Similar question आहे. तिसरा आणि चौथा अशाच पद्धतीने पहिले आपल्याला टेस्ट लिहायची आहे आणि उरलेले रिमेनिंग कॉन्ग्रुएंट पार्ट्स. आता इथे we observe here in these two triangles MN is the common side. It means we have to use here SSS test. By SSS test, these two triangles are congruent and remaining parts SSS test वापरल्यावर remaining parts कोणते असतील तर उरलेले 3 angles. So we have to write 3 angles which are congruent. That is homework for you again. Question number 2 मधलं सेकंड तुमच्यासाठी होमवर्क आहे आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Yes, we continue 5th example. First of all, we draw figure here. AB congruent to BC given. A, okay, not there. There is a point B. A, B, C, D. So AB congruent to BC and AD congruent to DC. AD congruent to DC. Okay. In figure, segment AB congruent to segment CB. AB congruent to CB. Then segment AD congruent to segment CD. Prove that triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. Triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD. Two sides are given and we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. Now, first of all, we write in triangle. The name of the triangle is ABD. ABD and triangle CBD. CBD in these two triangles. So, first of all, start with the given. First pair that AB congruent to BC. It is given. So, we start with the given. Segment AB congruent to segment BC or CB. Okay, this statement is a given. We write in front of it reason, that is the given. Second statement, segment AD congruent to segment CD. Segment AD congruent to segment CD. Again same reason given. दिलेला आहे ना आपल्याला हे. Okay. Now there is a need of one more statement to prove that these two triangles are congruent. We observe that segment BD, that BD is the common side of both the triangles. Triangle ABD ची पण साइड आहे आणि triangle CBD ची पण साइड BD काय आहे common side आहे. So we use here segment BD congruent to segment BD, that is the common side. This is the common side to both the triangles. Now, side, side, side. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent triangle CBD by SSS test. Okay. Hence proof. काय प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं आपल्याला? हेच प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. Prove that triangle ABD congruent to triangle CBD. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by SSS test. Very simple. Only we have to add a single statement that is the common side which is common to both the triangles. Yes. Take a screenshot. We continue our last example, that is the 6th example. Yes, we draw figure first of all here. PQR, PQRST. Okay. Last question, question number 6. In figure 3.25, angle P congruent to angle R. We shown by the similar marking, angle P congruent to angle R. Segment PQ congruent to segment RQ. PQ congruent to segment RQ. Okay. Prove that triangle PQT, this triangle, okay, shown by the shaded part, triangle PQT congruent to triangle RQS. It means this part is common of the both the triangles. हा जो पार्ट आहे ना, हा दोन्ही ट्रायंगलचा कसा आहे, कॉमन आहे. Now first of all we start with the here in triangle PQT and triangle, yes, RQS. These two triangles are given. Start with the given. What is given? Angle P congruent to angle R. So you can write here angle P. It means angle TPQ congruent to angle SRQ. Angle P congruent to angle R लिहिलं तरी चालेल, कारण इथे सिंगली रिप्रेझेंट करत आहे तो. Better way, write down the name of the angle with the 3 letters. That is the P congruent to R. So TPQ and RQS. SRQ, like this. Okay. Second statement, segment PQ congruent to segment RQ. It is given PQ congruent to segment RQ. Both the statement with the reason given. First statement given and for the second statement also the reason is given. हे दोन्ही statement आपल्याला दिलेले आहे. Now we observe that this angle Q, हा जो angle आहे, हा angle या ट्रायंगल PQT चा पण अँगल आहे आणि RQS चा पण अँगल आहे. म्हणजे हा काय झाला, कॉमन अँगल टू बोथ. सो वी राइट हियर द अँगल PQT congruent to angle RQS, and the reason that common angle of both the triangle. Okay. Therefore, by which test these two triangles are congruent? By ASA. इकडून पण बघा ASA. Therefore, by ASA test these two triangles are congruent. We write triangle PQT congruent triangle RQS by which test? By ASA test. By ASA test, these two triangles are congruent, and that we have to prove that these two triangles are congruent. आपण prove केलं by ASA test, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. First of all, take a screenshot. Okay. Thank you. We will see next part in the next video.